YouTube, welcome back to the Garage Couple. Today I am super stoked to show you this super easy mod we can do with just a couple tools. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. We're still doing our giveaway for the headlights. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we'll be giving you a chance to win a pair of free LED headlights, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get started.
Let's open it up, see what it is.
Da, da, da.
Wow, those are nice. Are those carbon fiber?
They are. I'm super excited. Check them out, check them out.
Wow.
For those of you that don't know, these are the JK pocket replacements. These are by Slickrockgear. They are absolutely fabulous. This is carbon fiber. They come in every color. Obviously, I chose the red to match the car. We've been meaning to do this replacement because the ones that come with the stock car just don't cut it for us, right? We're paying all this money for these Jeeps, and these are nets that sag as soon as you put one heavy item inside of it.
It makes it hard to close the door, and just for everyone that's commenting, we mean Jeep when we say car. So let's not get crazy. They're Jeeps.
This was a great and affordable option to replace my pockets with. Customer service was absolutely incredible. They had two options for red. I really wanted a red that would match the car. They responded super quickly to email as well as sending the pockets over, so I would definitely recommend them. So it's a pretty easy install. These are the tools that we're gonna use to install it. All you need is a flathead, a pair of scissors. We actually have fabric scissors, which if you have, would be awesome. The link is in the description to both of those, as well as a box cutter. Just as a heads up, this install that we're gonna do is not reversible. So if you are going to get these pockets, make sure that you are ready to cut those babies out. Right?
You are committed.
Yes, you are. Yeah, so let's just get started.
And also, the box comes with a great set of instructions as well as a website that gives a link with many pictures and step-by-step on how to install, just in case this video isn't enough.
So we're gonna start with our driver door. Pretty easy to do. We're gonna be using our fabric scissors to begin. What you're gonna do is put some tension on the corners, pull it as far back as possible, and you're just gonna cut down. The closer you get to the corner, the better, because you're gonna have to clean up the edges anyway. But pretty straightforward. Once you have all the edges removed, it looks pretty clean. There shouldn't be anything left. This is gonna pop right in. What you're gonna do is start from the top right tab. There are 4 tabs total. So you're just gonna slip it in. Just like that. Super easy to install. Everything's clipped in. Something to take note of, it does not have as much room as the pockets, but it's extremely sturdy. It's not going anywhere.
The original pockets, that is, the sagging nasty ones.
Now we're gonna do the same process on all 4 doors. Let's go. Just like the previous door, these ones also have 4 tabs on it. You're just gonna pop it right in. And there we go. break before I get on to the next one?
Don't mind if you do, huh? Little sum.
The last one's gonna be the center console pocket. This one's a little bit different, so I'm gonna explain it. This is where you're gonna need the flat head. First thing you're gonna do is move your car into 4 high, just to get that area open up. So we can either use the flat head or pull this thing directly out. There's 4 clips holding it in, so we're gonna try pulling it out, and if that doesn't work, we'll use the flat head.
All right.
Well, I guess I don't need a flat head, so there's the 2.
For now, to continue, we're gonna go ahead and place our hand in the rear of the cup holder, lift as she's doing, and you don't, and just go ahead and this piece out.
Now we're just gonna cut it the same way that we cut the other 4 pockets. Now you're just gonna clip it in, just like we did for the other 4.
Looks amazing. Now let's go ahead and reinstall. So first go ahead and just slap it back into place. Push the 4 clips back in. Alright, now cup holder goes back into its place. Alright, everything's back into place. We can go ahead and put it back into regular 2 high. And that's a wrap. What do you think?
I'm so impressed by how easy that was. Looks absolutely amazing. I wish we did it sooner. This took way too long. Alrighty guys, now that we've actually installed them, just want to recap. These were Slickrock JK pocket replacers. They're incredible. I really wish I did them earlier. Super affordable. They look awesome. They look great with the red trim. Super easy to install, and honestly, just a great little upgrade for my car.
And stay tuned to see how you can win free Jeep LED headlights. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random, and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.